Hello everyone, welcome to I Camp in My Kitchen. I am Priya Srinivasan. Today we are going to see how to make Moroccan carrot salad. Before going to the recipe, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to receive notifications whenever I post a new recipe. To make the salad, you'll require carrot, garlic, lemon, oil, honey, cumin seeds, red chili powder, pepper, walnuts and raisins. Now first let us make the spice oil. For this, take cumin and pepper together in a mortar and pestle and make a freshly ground powder. You can even use store-bought. Now add this pepper and cumin powder to the oil. Along with this, add the red chili powder. Mix it well. To this oil, add minced garlic and lemon juice. Mix this oil well and let this rest at least for 30 minutes. Now let us prepare the carrots. Add chopped carrots to boiling water. Add salt to this. Switch off the flame and keep it covered for 10 minutes. Now the carrots will be fork tender. Strain the excess water. Now take the carrots, serving bowl. Add spiced oil to this. Next, drizzle some honey. Honey helps to cut down the sharpness of the pepper and chili powder. Next, add chopped walnuts and raisins. You can also use pistachios. The set garnishes and the spices can be adjusted to your taste. The salad is now ready. If you like the recipe, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.